Svedijim Sensin. In the next episode of Svedijim Sensin, Nilüfer's and Sivan's secret dream of building a life together will be exposed, forcing both of them to choose between family expectations and personal happiness. Nilüfer will arrive in a village believing she can spend one quiet day with Sivan. Before returning home, she will bring documents for a small business they have secretly planned to open together. Their idea is to create a workshop where village product can be sold in the city, giving local women greater financial independence. Dikal will be delighted by the plan and promises to help. Irkan will also support them, seeing the project as a chance to connect both families without violence. However, Inisi will discover Nilüfer's absent and follow her. When she sees Nilüfer holding Sivan's hand, she will accuse him of using her daughter to gain access to the Aldur fortune. Sivan will respond that he wants a future built by their own work, not by anyone's money. Nilüfer will finally confront her mother and reveal that she has already invested her personal saving in his workshop. Insi will threaten to remove her saving from the family business and prevent her from returning to the mansion. At the same time, Ferman will run about the relationship and become furious that Sivan has joined the same family he considered responsible for taking Dikal away. He will order Sivan to end the relationship or lose his place in their family. Sivan will be turned because he still feels responsible for protecting Dikal. Daddy and Feridi Nilüfer will refuse to become another reason for conflict and decide to leave alone. Dikal will stop her and explain that sacrificing love without fighting for it only allows fear to win. Inspired by Dikal's courage, Nilüfer will return to Sivan and publicly announce that the workshop will open whether either family approves or not. Their decision will attract support from the villagers, but the building chosen for the business will mysteriously catch fire during the night. Evidence will initially point toward Ferman, yet Sivan will discover that the fire was arranged by someone from Nilüfer's family who wanted to frighten her home. The next episode may end with Sivan rescuing Nilüfer from the burning workshop, while Insi watches from a distance, horrified that her attempt to separate them nearly killed her daughter. This crisis could finally force Insi to reconsider her pure justice and